to this beautiful house in Port Andratx. Here in the master bedroom with a bathroom with his and her sink, a walk-in closet, private balcony with a panoramic views of Port Andratx. This house has 3 beautiful bedrooms with ensuite bathroom, all filled with natural light throughout the whole day. On the first floor, there are 2. One of them is a master and 1 guest bedroom by the pool. On the second floor, you have this beautifully designed kitchen with a big island and a spacious wine cellar for all your needs. Now I'm stepping inside on this wonderfully combined area with a dining table and a living room. We are now on this big chair with a saltwater pool, a fully equipped summer kitchen and multiple lounge areas. This is a villa where Mediterranean views, modern design and pure luxury meets. If you want this to be yours, contact First Mallorca.